again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So Kiki London has released, I'm a little bit, I think I'm about a week late with this. I have put it on my Instagram and my Facebook though. So this is the Kiki London Autumn Collection, guys. I really like this collection. It's not your usual like burnt orange, browns, greens. It's actually a really nice collection. I really like it. So we'll have a quick look at the colours and we're just going to give them a quick swatch today. I'm not sure if they're still on pre-sale or not. If they are, get them quick, guys, before they go full price. But as I said, I am a little bit late getting these out. So yeah, I have got a 10% discount code as well for Kiki London. Right, so we have got Dahlia. So this is like a deep pinky purple. It's really nice. I really like it. Let me just bring you in a little bit. Yeah, it is really nice. And these are in the big 15ml bottles as well. Then we have got Harvest Festival. So this is like a burnt orange kind of colour. I think every autumn collection kind of has to have like this kind of colour. It's kind of a staple in an autumn collection, isn't it? And then we've got Mellow Rose. I like this because it is a pink, but it's kind of a toned down kind of cosy warm pink. I like it. Then we have got Violet Dawn. Again, it's like a lavender purple, but it's dulled down a little bit as well. Cosy warm colours, but they're still really nice kind of, I don't know, I just like them. Right, we've got an earthy brown. See, this would be good if you're painting autumn leaves and stuff like that, or yeah. As far as browns go, it's not a bad one. It's quite a light brown, isn't it? I like it. And then we've got Golden Hour, which is like, I want to say it's like a sunflower yellow. But again, it's not too bright. The camera's showing it a little bit brighter than what it is actually. Yeah, it's a nice colour. I think this is a really unique autumn collection. I keep calling it the autumn fall collection. It's actually called Indian Summer Collection, which I think is a perfect name for these kind of colours. We are going into autumn, so I just think these colours are perfect. Right, so let's start with Dahlia. Kiki London gels as well, they're nice. I think they're quite a thin consistency, but they paint on like a dream. They are nice. That is a really thin coat. I wouldn't say it's an ultra thin coat, but it's just a nice coat, and it's just completely opaque. That little dot's gonna bug me. That's gonna have to go. Yeah, that is a nice colour. I like it. These cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. So then we'll do Harvest Festival. Yeah, so this is a bit brighter than a burnt orange, isn't it? I think this is just your classic kind of orange. This is going to be fantastic for Halloween as well. Same with the previous colour that I've just showed you. That's going to be a brilliant colour for Halloween as well. Gorgeous, beautiful, super creamy and opaque. Right, Mellow Rose. I'm going to like this for nail beds. Going into autumn, I like to use deeper, darker pinks for my nail beds. They just seem to work better with autumn kind of designs and colours. And I think this would work nice as a nail bed. Ooh, that is a pretty colour. I like that. Look at these for one coat. They're fantastic, aren't they? These are not the Hema-free ones, guys, but Kiki London have started a Hema-free range now. They've got your classic black and white, the top coat, the base coat, and a few other colours if you want to go and check out their Hema-free range. Right, Violet Dawn. Let's get this one done. Do you know, gels like this, I don't like swatching, it's so annoying. But when gels paint like this, it is quite enjoyable. You don't have to keep going over them to get rid of the streaks and to make them look good, because they just look good all by themselves, don't they? Another pretty colour. Right, then we've got Golden Hour. Again, mixing these yellows in with the browns and the oranges to do autumn leaf kind of designs and stuff like that. Or if you're still not quite there yet, I know a lot of my subscribers, they're just not into autumn or fall yet. They're still into these bright kind of colours. So you could get away with using this for like sunflowers, bright flowers, all year round kind of yellow. But it's not too bright. The camera is showing it a little brighter than what it actually is. Yeah, very pretty colour though, I like it. Right, and lastly we've got Earthy Brown. Definitely the kind of colour you need for autumn, isn't it? But yeah, it's not an ugly kind of brown. Personally, to me it's not an ugly. Actually, it has got a slight, I want to say, I don't know, like a slight rosy. I don't know. It's a brown, but it has got a hint of something, hasn't it? Right, I'm going to get all these top coated quickly, guys, and then I will be back. Right, guys, that is them all swatched. Don't they look nice together for autumn? They're really, really nice. I don't want to say bright colours because they're not quite bright colours. They're kind of toned down versions of bright colours. I think it's a really, really nice autumn set. I really, really like it. So from the left, we've got Dahlia. Then we've got Harvest Festival, Mellow Rose, Violet Dawn, Earthy Brown and Golden Hour. I think they're really, really pretty autumn colours, and they are all just one coat. And that is the Kiki London Henna Free top coat I used, actually. I really like this collection. You could still do some quite cutesy summery designs using a couple of these with the yellows. They'd go pretty together. And then we've got these kind of colours that would look beautiful together in an autumn design. Even throw that pink in. Fantastic. Yeah, I think this is a really, really well put together little collection of autumn colours. Indian summer collection. I like it. And they are in the big 15ml bottles. I do like these bottles a lot. These are cruelty free as well, guys, and vegan. If you are allergic to henna, go and check out the henna free range. They are going to be adding a lot more colours to that over the next few months, so keep your eye out there. But anyway, guys, that is it for today. Just a quick one. I really wanted to get this collection out because I think it is beautiful. I will leave a link to this collection in particular. My discount code will be there. Make sure you take advantage of that. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, guys. Subscribe if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.